In a dramatic escalation of charges against former Canadian Olympian Ryan Wedding, U.S. authorities announced that one of his own lawyers, Deepak Paradkar, has been arrested for allegedly advising Wedding to arrange the murder of a key witness, advice that the U.S. Department of Justice says was intended to derail criminal proceedings. Ryan Wedding, once a snowboarder for Team Canada and competitor in the 2002 Winter Olympics, is now accused of leading a sprawling drug trafficking network. According to the DOJ, Wedding is facing multiple charges, including murder in connection with a continuing criminal enterprise, witness tampering, and retaliation against a witness. Deepak Paradkar, the Canadian attorney representing Wedding, was arrested in a cross-border operation. U.S. Attorney Bill Asalee publicly stated that Paradkar not only provided legal counsel but allegedly went beyond that role, advising Wedding that killing a witness could lead to the dismissal of his pending case. According to court documents, Paradkar told Wedding and an associate, Andrew Clark, that victim A's murder would benefit them by causing the federal indictment to be dismissed. Beyond the alleged murder advice, the indictment accuses Paradkar of violating core legal ethics. He is said to have allowed Wedding and his associates to eavesdrop on privileged communications. According to the DOJ, rather than acting strictly as a defense lawyer, Paradkar allegedly helped facilitate bribes and even helped introduce Wedding to other traffickers. In a rare rebuke from the U.S. Treasury, Paradkar has been sanctioned for abusing his professional responsibilities, a reminder that his actions, if proven, count as more than just a legal misstep. The DOJ alleges that Wedding orchestrated a hit on a federal witness. He allegedly posted the witness's photo on a website called The Dirty News, a now-deleted site, in an effort to have him located and killed. In January 2025, that witness was shot dead at a restaurant in Medellin, Colombia, shot 5 times in the head. According to prosecutors, the arrests form part of a broader U.S.-Canada enforcement initiative dubbed Operation Giant Slalom, which has already led to the arrest of 7 Canadians tied to Wedding's criminal organization. Among those arrested is Gurswak Singhbal, who allegedly ran the Dirty News website and was paid to post the photograph of the slain witness so he could be found. Wedding, 44, remains at large. He is now listed on the FBI's 10 most wanted fugitives list. Authorities describe him as extremely violent and accuse him of ordering dozens of murders throughout North and Latin America. To incentivize leads on his capture, the U.S. government raised the reward for information leading to his arrest to $15 million. The case raises serious questions around professional boundaries for defense attorneys. While lawyers are obligated to advocate zealously for their clients, they are also bound by ethical rules. If the allegations against Paradkar are true, he may have crossed a constitutional and moral line, turning from defender to conspirator. The DOJ's characterization of his role suggests this was not just misguided legal strategy, but active participation in a violent criminal enterprise. This is a startling case, not just because of Wedding's fall from Olympian to alleged drug lord, but also because it involves a lawyer who, according to U.S. prosecutors, actively advised murder to obstruct justice. For both legal professionals and public observers, it underscores the thin but critical line between zealous advocacy and complicity in criminal conduct.